Hi everyone, welcome to the Code Vault. Before we dive into web development, let's understand something super important: HTML tags. They are the foundation of every web page. In this video, I'll explain what tags are, how to read them, and how to write them in the simplest way possible. Tags are like instructions that tell the browser how to display content. They're the basic building blocks of any web page. Think of tags as containers. For example, a p tag is used to hold a paragraph of text. Just like a lunchbox holds your food, tags hold your content. Let's look at the structure of a tag. A tag usually has three parts: an opening tag, the content, and a closing tag. For example, open tag, p, content. This is a paragraph. Closing tag, /p. The slash in the closing tag means it's a closing tag. Together, this is called an HTML element. Some tags don't need a closing tag. These are called self-closing tags. For example, BR adds a line break. IMG is used to display images. These tags work alone and don't have any inner content. Let's write a basic example using tags. H1 Hello World /H1. This will show Hello World as a big heading. You can also use tags like P for paragraphs or for links. And here's a mini HTML page structure. Doc type HTML. HTML. Head. Title my first page /title. /head. Body. H1 welcome to my website /H1. P this is a simple paragraph. /P. /body. /HTML. Don't worry. We'll learn more about this structure soon. Reading tags is simple. Start from the top and follow the structure. Each tag tells the browser what to show. H1 means a large heading. P means a paragraph. IMG shows an image. A means a clickable link. Once you understand the meaning of each tag, reading HTML becomes easy, just like reading a book. A quick tip: a tag is just P or /P, but an element includes both the tags and the content between them. So, P hello /P is an element. That's it. Now you know what tags are, how to read them, and how to write them. Tags are your first step into web development, and you just nailed it. In the next video, we'll build your very first web page using HTML. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Code Vault. See you in the next one.